what I need to do is turn on the bike and then see if I can get the battery paired up with the motor. So we'll hit that. Got my phone here, so it's locked. Now it's connected. Got 2 bars. I think I'm at 44% state of charge. Yeah, so let me do this software update. That takes a little while for that to install, and then I'll go ahead and pair up the battery. Yeah, there we go. I've got the software update going. Blinking LEDs indicate installation, and I think the bike restarts a few times, as I recall. Okay, so yeah, according to that, the bike shuts itself off, and then you turn it back on, and then that'll complete the update. Oh, that's interesting. Yeah, I've lost some charge while it's been sitting here. It was 44%, now we're down to 37%. Okay, yeah, I guess there's really nothing to do to pair the battery in. If you just come in here, here's your main e-bike page on the Flow app. You come over here to settings. So you come down to components. I've got the system controller. There's the drive unit, the battery, the power tube 625. There's the battery PowerMore 250, and then I've got the Intuvia 100. Now I need to actually move the bike here to get that to turn on, and then we'll hit the button on the mini remote. Everything's paired up there. This 36% is the combined battery capacity, so I imagine this PowerMore is probably only partially charged. With the Flow app and with the Intuvia display, I only see a combined battery percentage. It's not individual. And then what you need to do before you connect and disconnect the battery is make sure you turn it off first. So I'll turn it off. Now I can unplug it, and then we'll turn it back on. There, it's connected, syncing. Now I'm back up to 40% state of charge. Yeah, if we look here, I was at 44%, so 625 watt hours times 0.44 said I have 275 left. And then if I add the PowerMore in there, I'm now at 875 at 36%, which is 315. So the PowerMore battery is probably fairly well discharged because there's only like 40 watt hours in it. But yeah, that would make sense of those readings. With 875 watt hours and a discharged PowerMore, I've got 315 left. Yeah, so I think that makes sense then. They must combine those two batteries. Yeah, with the battery unplugged, with this battery, you've got to basically take it off the bike and charge it separately and then charge the bike. Your two options, you can either put the battery in, have it plugged in, and then just ride the combined 875 watt hour battery as one big battery, or you could carry that separately, run this until it's dead, and then plug that in and have a limp home mode, so to speak. Yeah, there it is, 36 volts, 6.7 amp hours, 250 watt hours. And let me just get my water bottle cage because I'm getting ready to go out. There we go. They look fairly similar. I mean, they're not identical. I'll put my old cage on there. It's still the Blackburn, but it doesn't have the lettering on the outside. It has it on the inside, but not the outside. I have seen other people put batteries other places, like in bags. You could get a long cable and put the battery, you could put it on a luggage rack or in a frame bag or, different places. But I wanted kind of the bare minimum, just barely fit cable and not have to worry about routing cables. Having the cable just go point to point like that, it looks perfect. It's not going to get snagged on anything. It's not going to get pulled out. So yeah, I think that looks good. If you have any questions, drop that in the comment section below. And as always, thanks for watching.